So this is the Partner 465. It's now cleaned up and I've put some time into it now. You can see the muffler is painted and everything. The only thing I didn't do is I didn't change the bolts. I just cleaned them up. It's still running the old blade and bar, but I figured it's good enough to try. I haven't tried starting it yet, so we'll see how that goes. You can see it's in a bit better shape than it was, and the chain is now moving and it's looking real good. So I'm gonna try and start it up. Well, the first video didn't turn out great, so I had to delete it. The saw fired up on the 5th pull, and still running a little bit unadjusted on the carburetor, but I'm gonna try and adjust it now with the screwdriver I've got. It's just not getting in there. It's a special tool, looks like, so I might just have to find that one. I'm also gonna try a little bit of a test cut on that 4x4 you see lying on there. I'm just gonna see if it cuts. Now bear in mind, the chain and the bar is still completely original. It has not been sharpened, so might just be a little bit dull. Try and find out. Well, the saw is feeling really responsive now. You can see a little bit of smoke coming off there. It's the hot paint on the muffler that I'd used. It just isn't cutting it enough, so I'm gonna have to take it off and strip it again. I'm just gonna use a chemical paint stripper to get the paint off, and then I'm probably just gonna leave it like it is.